Hi everyone, welcome friends to our channel. In this video, let's talk to you about how you can quickly and easily disable inverted colors on your iPhone. But before we start our video, be sure to, friends, put your likes. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to write your comments after watching. Alright, let's get to the topic. And you're going to need to go into the settings on your phone. I'm going to show you everything again. So, settings. Now you're going to scroll down a little bit and go to Accessibility. Next, friends, please select the feature called Display and Text Size here. And see, if you have any of the options enabled here, you'll need to turn them all off except for the very bottom one. Also, friends, you can go into the color filters here as needed. And if you have any of those enabled, you can also just go ahead and turn them off. So your screen will go to normal mode with normal colors, and you'll be able to disable inverted colors on your iPhone quickly and easily like this. I really hope, friends, that this video has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to give us some likes. Bye-bye, everyone.